That is the predator to all of the.
Quail and everything.
The quail have had their time. Now it's the predators now. You're probably gonna see a couple baby hawks out here.
He's beautiful.
Yeah, he is. Go bigger, can you?
Simba, you would get wrecked by that thing. You would get absolutely destroyed by that hawk.
Do y'all have a Costco membership?